Rena Thora Thora Majiga, any moon, aka Majaiva, and it's nearly 09. Thora Thora and the woods. Hey, Yaman.
Yeah, already Thora Thora. The Tomangore, free VENDA artist were fair to come very free where not relax, Rudita Carreras Avanga, I have my Motakara. As not really so 200 streaming. Or the said then anymore than go to the guy. Yeah, come very free, we were fair to the very when access your music over in there. Go music or go to film better, go to Rukedo, Radavara Jai Vera food. Yeah, so I want to free myself. I want this guy to free me in my music time, in my music industry, in my music wanga. Become a music wanga as a whole, like online, everything. I want to own everything that belongs to my name. You understand? Because my name is under some other company. Okay. Let me start here. I met this guy by director Maboko. He was a music video director and we have shooter. And then he had to shoot my music video on my chocolate. I never saw that guy before. I haven't seen that guy before. So I met him to shoot that music video on my chocolate with Batondi on the song. And then we did that music video. And then he saw how I push my music and then...
So you paid for the music
video? Yes, I paid 5K. It was 2018. 5K. Yeah, I don't know how much is it now, but it was 5K 2018. I paid full amount. I paid him a deposit, and then before I get the music video, paid the balance. Man, I don't owe that shit.
Pay your way up.
Yeah, it was one. So he saw how I push my music, and then I was going to know this guy Ongari has got something there. Then he said, "No, do you have other music besides this, my chocolate and stuff?" And then I said, "No, yeah, I always produce music yearly. But Land Peter was a single, and then he said, "No, can I publish your music?" Because when I met that guy, he was a videographer and the director. So he never know anything about music industry. Like
I know he knows about copyright.
Yes, yeah, that one copyright falls under so many things. It's not in the music side. It's everywhere. Movie, whatever, and names. Yeah, you can copyright and own your name. That's a copyright. You understand? So that one, he knows that, and he went to school for that. I congratulate him on that side, but not in this industry. Music. Because in the music industry, or actually Jena Kayo, I Jena in the bad way. Because first actually those who were 2018 Randa, Waruchia into Woolworth or Wanagup Randa. You must accept Uruburoto Woolworth in the 18 Randa. You're 20 Randa. Understand? As 18 Randa. So he didn't know anything about the music industry. I believe that okay, the causes. But Rarichitangana Arkane Ukanyaga publish my music. And then I accepted that agreement with him. So you can publish my music. But when you publish my music, how much do you want from my music? And then he said, no, you won't pay for my service, but I will take 30% on the business that we made under my publish. The publish I will take 30%. I said, no, it's not bad because it's only 30%, meaning that I will be owning my music.
70%.
Yeah, my 70% is mine, so it's my music.
No, he's just owning. Yeah, not owning the music. He's just taking a share.
Yeah, on the sales. On the sales.
Yeah, which is just publishing.
Yes, on the sales can publish. He doesn't own anything about my music. He doesn't know where did I record my music until I tell you, Mori, this song made a guy.
So he was not involved in the production.
He does
anything.
He doesn't know anything about my shit. Come my music wanga. Like music wanga so do the
and also for music.
And mind you, music wanga salochi vouch to a disc. Uwa uchiko voice channel quality because of the automatic sender and then who sender as an audio. Not even via email. I still have those songs. The songs, not the sender. WhatsApp. Because the sender, the guy or the teacher or the hand, can we release this? Because every time nichita chitu na watu wanashumisana na boy niya zamangandira zote rume bone watu wanatomoni jaja before bango watu outside. So And then you realize no industrial music. You understand? No music. Then he opened the music side. Director Maboko music. Before I entered Director Maboko, there was no music. I know his company. It was Director Maboko multimedia. Eh? He didn't have music under that multimedia. You understand? So he created that music after he signed some other artist. It's LT or I don't know who is that. Black Pearl V. He used to work with Black Pearl V. Yes. Black Pearl V. She went out of Director Maboko and then Ayaka Prem came in. Then she made a hit. Then she was gone. Yeah. So even Matika. Yeah, he was working hand in hand with Director Maboko, but has his own company, so they were a publisher. So I don't know how their contract is. Marane as Thora Thora, I don't know where I have a contract with Director Maboko. So Director Maboko is saying he's owning my music. Eh? But I don't know the music Director Maboko in how, because Director Maboko is a publisher to me. I'm not working. He's not managing my music. He's not even my manager. You understand?
On a contract.
I don't. Hey, guys, don't sign a contract here 6 years, if I'm not mistaken. I had to sign. That completely sign a contract here 6 years. I didn't sign that thing. I went back to him and then I said, no, I can't jail myself. I can't arrest myself. I can't jail myself. 6 years.
I bet you were ambitious.
I didn't sign that. I didn't sign that contract, and I didn't even print it out. It was sent via email. I still have it.
You should send it. I'll check it.
I still have it with me. So it was sent via email. Ne? I still have it. I keep my records. Ne? Yeah. And then I found out I've been used under Director Maboko because when I entered Director Maboko, I knew everything about music. I was doing everything for myself. Gigs, performance, you understand? Because by then, they were flat-footed. The Chimblanga were 2 series. He sometimes drive me to the events. Yeah. It sometimes drives me to the events. Ne? No, that one, even anyone can drive Thora to the event. That one, yeah. You cannot say I owe you because you were driving me to the events. No, that one.
That's not to run to share.
Now it's nobody to share. I didn't want to go Thora.
So, you guys on a contract?
No, there's no contract.
It was all that you could publish a music.
Yes.
And then I wanted 30% and 70%.
Yes.
How long this thing waited? Like,
yeah, Trauma 2019 when I was releasing my album, in album. If nanga senzeka my in album una my chocolate yenda ishuta achika ditoba ndoto mubadela
asa dibeka
muzika mara ione urwe owner. If you want to say zvinenda kwamba zona zone ti how can I take my song yenda ibadela na music video ine yaba under my page ka music video ka page ka YouTube mara ndova ndaipa mumuntu for free?
Because I'm looking at this for 3 years. Receive. Like, have you received anything? So, Aram so good didn't do a statement.
I don't get any statement. I don't get any statement.
Account to your distro kidi kana ya chunko kana digital platforms. Yo vuru angani.
Yo vuru anga Director Maboko and atina access yayo. Ati dibina zoro music wanga nando verify wa zina Thora Thora dinne. Marando verify wa maratina tina zilo gini za any platform ya online. So
for 3 years.
For that 3 years.
You don't know how much your album did.
Yes, I don't know. I'm going to actually do it according to them.
But they need to run it. You want to stay in 3 years. That's like. Nishamba na yoremi.
Nishamba na chambuza shona nishimbuza sanga zi states. Nga urende konyago. Ndiko kombera access yo jenaka music wanga. Urekame itanga nga company so anga simpezi login za company. No, because the kombera udiba zwanga the states zanga cassette yanga kana okay because nena inarisha shuma rotate nena no resign ka Director Maboko ushimisana naye no resign. If I can tell you, I wrote a letter that resign like what reply ya acceptance ya you no resign Mara, because that guy thinks he owned my music, he still
so
my music.
What you did, you terminated the contract.
Yes.
That's no contract.
I'll see now. Remember, I work professional. Yes.
You're a publisher. Which means you terminate you. Remove me.
Music wanga platform.
NS record label.
Yes.
The
publisher on my case. Yeah. He's a publisher on my case. So please remove my music. So I don't know.
So which means your music is making money. Why as a remove?
Yes, if it doesn't make money, why are you still having them? Why are you still having my music on your platforms? And why as a this is a music from 2019? Never released the album in 2019 November. Yeah, it was November 2019. This time that we release the album. Mara nana musa ndimuzo album yanga yoita chitanu kana zukwa yeneyo kana peni ati divina peni azvite yuri namusichifete chere down na randa. You understand?
So which means hana data hana mix ya muzika wanu.
Yes.
Ngori araka kore uko ona muzika.
Data yone kanti.
No, kwambori araka ona muzika. Kode vana master yaona. Kode na chimuna chimu chaona.
Ni the own.
Ana file na mtia music. Kudona MP3.
How can you own music when you do zero record wage? Whatever that we are doing,
the songs I put my name on.
Yeah. So everything Chinechava Chikovanga Director Maboko, ne? Director Maboko and his wife and his fellow partners. I think there are 3 or 4. They must be there. And then I never met them. I only met his wife and him. That's who I know. But he's got partners. Who I don't know. Understand? So that one is for him and his company. I don't care. But my thing is, I want him to free me because I want to carry on with my
he needs to
music.
Free, you are free. He needs to free your music.
Yeah, my music. Yeah, you need to free my music on the online platform because I'm doing my music now and I want to release. I can't take myself on any other.
You can't even access your name.
I can't access my
because,
name
around 20 feature and it's a guy.
That's why he doesn't wanna release me because he knows this guy is a workaholic and I'm stopping to work because of him. I want to come back.
He even calls people in the future.
Yes, of the song that he doesn't know where it was made. Because I made with Lanketa with Gale and Mama's Boy. Okay, I know that track. That track, it was not my track. It was our track. You understand? There was no featuring there. It was our track. So, I think Gale even asked me to release a hand. Then I said no, because on publisher and you Director Maboko. Let me release under Director Maboko. Not knowing or Director Maboko when I give him music, he has the right to the music. So Director Maboko, wherever you are, please remove my music in all online platforms. I want to free my music, please, before and after.
The beef with the grease and the chicken again.
So, what do you say to Bene Bapasia Director Maboko? Maybe about TV, they're not aware of how he works.
Yeah, I had to go back for Togo, man. Yeah, he can tell you that he can take you where and where. Because but when that about Diwana Kushimana, Bobane Kajandra, one Utoifuna Jandra is reggae, it's burning fire. So and they go after Togo because the guys they like music and they buy funas writers, when they enjoy music and they are hungry for music and they are hungry to go somewhere. So if you have a manager and Angara no win a trophy, no win an award, Africa stage in Utoma before you must know that he's after something. He's putting himself first before you. So that one it's something else.
Shit really happens. Shit.
That one it's a sign. I'm not saying rat guys. I'm just saying
learn.
So that is the status of music way. Like know how is your music doing on all platforms. You must
it's just no comparison. It's include every single artist. You can find out whenever people are sense the delete name about the baby.
I've been drunk or sign. So according to you, Thora, who for Maboko Amapungo Itisan?
Job the Maboko over or ashto release a Thora company away because I should release a Thora Thora. I shut down music when she was Thora Thora ka platform yawo because he doesn't own my music.
So ufuna music wanu o upload nga company kana
first of all okakaneko achi upload music wanga nga direct maboko oba otea o upload music wanga nga khawukana ni mathora uri wa Thora Thora because music wanga ndiwanga asiwa direct maboko ne direct maboko ina studio
or actually release Ari on behalf of Thora Records.
Yes.
The publisher.
Yes.
Ngani on behalf of.
Ngori music wanu ndi chuchekayo uri or release wa under director maboko. Meaning that he owns your music.
Yes. Which is very wrong because he doesn't own my music, guys. Doesn't own my music. By then, let me tell you, I was like this. Yeah, but now, yeah, the blind guys is
no, sometimes you agree to some deals or agree to since akwete Amanda Limpopo kana Venda. Riwana runaba tuvane wada mutu are ngori watu vangu basi jori muriza muzika online zviyadhura mini I don't know ndikariza muzika wangu ndina mini inatenda believing uri mini you will still own zvanu kubona ndikwamba so kwamba rodhisedza at the contract ya RZK achikwambori kama yanga ritadi hot asongojia muzika wawe mara contract waridi ne kubona at least naye ufuna kuripa contract raibona
ori sign
so asongosigna zvombori ndizvo izvo zvinonena kuti omula murawari kombelo ririte sona so kubona ardivuri ene wanda naona ritadi zozo rimini so nakama Thora ngene wafungo nera kwambori ka Thora we need to get your music back.
Yeah.
And if we are coming for the music, who tandwa linofukwa? Arari mtu decide orali fukwi. The one at Japan.
No, this guy don't push finger, guys. I think
40 days is up.
I think on my side I did my thing. So now it's my time to strike.
Yeah.
I don't think Ori is good. Una zvivharo zvovhara zvinozvakuda because this is anga dokona nozvivhara.
The lawyer is not around. He has an emergency.
So
there's a lawyer which is involved in this.
Yeah.
You have a lawyer who's looking at it.
Yeah. I have plenty of lawyers.
Yeah.
Who are involved in this.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wish he can stand this because fact is fact. Maboko, you don't own my music because you don't know even where I record my songs, and you don't know even where the beats are coming from. I pay my record time.
Ana masters the music one.
Masters they wanna go. It's our music.
Okay.
I'm going bad day now.
Huh? If he was clever enough, he was supposed to say, Thora, this is 10,000. Give me those. He buy them out. You understand? Then we never had that chat about my music. So how can you own something like that? You understand? So he thinks maybe he's working with stupid people. Eh? Yeah, stupid people sometimes become clever because whenever that you are making someone stupid, there are people who are opening eyes out there. You understand? So yeah, please. There is still a please. Eh? There will be time that please won't be there.
Yeah, ngozvifa vatu Mathora kwamore director, Mr. Copyright, Mr. Law, Mr. I know what I need to do in the industry. Bring back the music from Thora, take it down, or give him the access or the logins. Simple as that.
And I can have my name back because my name is verified there, but I don't own my name. So if you own my music, you're owning my name too. It means you're owning me.
Yeah.
Mara never paid me. I'm worth millions, guys. I'm worth millions. You can't buy me.
For 3 years, you have never seen any cent.
Like, we should fee the payment. Like, if a payment, you must fee. For your account, I don't think they have my account, those guys.
Namsi have to get a zero balance.
Hey, like
11 rand, 200, you know, empty.
Just know, every time we review, now the Shima, every Monday, where I'm standing. Every Monday. So even in this business, at least once a month or twice a month, you can review and or at least after 3 months.
No, it's 3 months. Every 3 months,
you can review. You understand?
You get your
Yes.
updates on your stats digitally. So it can be 2 to 4 months. Between there, you receive the status.
So since I started to work with this guy, I never get such. I don't know such.
Sambro, didn't you tell Sambro?
No, some bro, I did myself.
Okay.
I went there straight.
Yeah.
I have my own access there.
Unless if Oya a Jamzika I'll register under company Kasam.
Yeah, that can be possible.
So we need to find that also. You need to find that out.
Yeah. So now, music wangaka uwe wafetu. Nilishitangana na director maboko wafetu. Yo, I had to give him contacts. Like, you know, if Bachiru owner music wangoko choice, this guy, I gave him contacts of everywhere that he is now.
You made him who
I
he is.
made him who he was supposed to thank me. He was supposed to say, Thora,
What is he, man?
Hey guy,
Over the metro.
Maboko, it comes to music, I made you. You can say whatever you want to say.
The metro.
You were just a photographer with nothing. You know nothing about music. I'm the one who gave you contacts. I don't want to say to who and who, but wherever your music is playing today is because of me. I remember the days you were giving me music of burning fire to submit. Then after that they played on radio because of me. It was not playing before. I made them to play. Today you're making me very stupid because I'm stupid to you. You understand? And I'm not, my guy. I'm not. I was just waiting for the right time. You see, I was quiet for a longest time. I think I have almost a year now after I resigned to you. It's almost a year.
You terminated
now.
the contract.
Yeah, I terminated the contract.
The verbal
It's
agreement.
almost a year. And the contract that I'm talking about is the publisher. I'm not under Director Maboko. I never signed anything under Director Maboko for you to take my music under Director Maboko. Hey, I'm saying don't be ambitious to me. Don't ambition me. You are not ambitious.
Yeah.
Do yourself.
In closing, Thora, never meaning of all.
Don't know what I'm pissed off as well. I'm pissed off. I know whatever she did that to chamba. But Banji, you don't know how we feel as artists. You don't know how we feel. There's a lot of stress under this music. And Richamba son, you won't get some Sirbaroko Fura. Everyone's go for one. Ziba's got to wear. Industry, we are blind. You got us one in Juluka. You go better shaded than to the Roko on the music one. Zubamanda guy. So, there was an artist that was the one. The manager. To the manager, into the recording company, into the PR, like Chimachiman to the moon. When I'm more Adana Shumawe, worry and Okushumas, we're manager as owner of a recording label. Anyone can manage you as a division of music, as long as the dealers of Vuraminango, you can manage you. But when it comes to owning your music, that person doesn't own your music. Because if as a 2 year Bandera studio session and you are just into the fire other music one, doesn't mean that is owning your music. Your music still falls under you. So this is what is happening to me. So are we careful? Are we mato? Reference there. Especially service machine raya, but we give up music because when you are sure Rara Zamoya, come on about to rotation is a rather than the boy. Maybe rather is go where on a Ravaneji. Recover on a Ravane, the lack of knowledge. And rich Bonogar could give a bad. Reganganors could give a shit. So, out of the matter, but we guys, Rich Senate's contract, resetting the clause, and you make a sure you sign a contract, you want a copy, and a one, you say no, and you say no, I got that person and a consent a contract. You so much on the Chichote, and the contract is signed on as a witness. Ararus no witness, there is no contract. So, don't get drunk and go and sign contract. The sign of the contract is that we in sober-minded on the Monday morning or Tuesday morning. Be done Sunday, Saturday. Don't sign contract on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sign contract midweek when you can even call people to come and witness what you're signing. Because guys, these people that their strategy. But often another to kuishi jena chitangani. But they choro, but you posa choro. Yeah, we are always stangani. You know, the stangani ayoya. So naviwe ni very careful guys. Tuzhinji zvichikadhida. Thora Thora is coming guys. I'm gonna fight for my Thora Thora music to come out there, but Thora Thora is coming. Watch out. It's gonna be a good vibe.